Mega love shout out everyone. So for today's video, I am going to show you on how to transfer videos or playlists to watch later. So for me, I am doing this individually before, but because I have it. But for me, before, I am only using or I am doing it manually one by one, and it's taking so much time. So yes, so because I discovered this one, I am also going to share this to you so that it will be easy for you as well. So anyway, this is Sweet Enjoy channel. Watch this.
Okay, first you search the YouTube channel where you want to get the playlist. Go to channel playlist. Choose the playlist you may want to watch later. Once you are playing your chosen playlist, scroll down to the bottom. Then the first video at the bottom, you will see the three dots at the right side. Then you have to click it and choose Add to Queue. Scroll up again and go to the number 1 video on the playlist. Then click this one and select Watch Later. Then go to Watch Later and check if you have the correct number of the videos in the playlist. Not delete the video you had added to queue earlier. And you're good to go. Enjoy watching your favorite video anytime.